The next question is, you used to teach math and create a system to help students with string figures. You already talked about, no?
Yes,
The next,
but I can do one more thing.
I will
Okay.
ask it.
I have a series of systems. The first systems are two loops, and they are basically the diamonds. Oh yeah, well, I didn't do it right, but they're the diamonds. I will do it right. Diamonds is like this. But that's a two-weave pattern. The 10 Men is a three-weave pattern. The Navajo Mini Stars is a three-weave pattern. The Klamath Net is a three-weave pattern. The 10 Men is a three-weave pattern. And then by using the information that you have gathered in those three-weave patterns, three-loop patterns, all those are loops, you can make 4-loop patterns and 5-loop patterns, and you can explode into infinity, basically, of the different kinds of weaves, of figures that you can make. And you only need to know basically 5 or 6 initial patterns and then learn how to vary them.
Just this to beginning to do a lot of.
Oh, absolutely. And
You
all
just
of my
need
students,
to know 4 or 5.
yeah, and that's all you need to know. And then how to vary them. And to vary them is just simply paying attention to the little minor differences in the way that the operations are made.
Okay. So my next question is that possible to learn math with joy?
Yes. See, the problem is that math is not really taught in what the math is doing. Math is taught in terms of big word, algorithm. But an algorithm is just a way to get an answer. So when you memorize the multiplication table and you begin to multiply 320 by 445 and do all of your 5, and carry your numbers and all, that's just the way to get the answer. That's an algorithm. So what you teach with string figures is an algorithm, and then a way to vary that algorithm. And once you have gotten the idea that all of math is simply an algorithm, and getting the right answer is always fun. Being smart is always fun, and you can show that you're smart even to yourself, then you're home free.